Hey folks, Jared here, and I've done a bit of refinishing on my rifle. The barrel and frame are in gloss black. The stock has been stained with some kerosene, and quite a few coats of gloss enamel have been applied to it. The action has been smoothed up, and I've embedded a dime into the stock. Overall, the feel of the gun has gotten much better, even though it's still just as powerful as before. But that's going to be all for this quick update. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. This has been Jared, signing off.